Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Subway Surfers theme on piano. Let's begin with the right hand melody. Place your right hand on middle C. You'll start by playing C, G, A, G, then move to F, C, D, C. Repeat this entire sequence 2 times. Focus on a light, staccato touch for that iconic bouncy feel. Remember to keep your fingers curved and relaxed for optimal speed and accuracy. Now, let's add the left hand to create a fuller sound. Your left hand will play simple 2-note chords. For the first half of the melody, play a C and G together using your pinky and thumb. Then, for the second half, switch to an F and C chord. You'll alternate between these 2 chords, providing a solid rhythmic foundation for your right hand's melody. Keep your wrist relaxed. Bringing both hands together is the next exciting step. Play the right hand melody while simultaneously striking the left hand chords. The left hand chords will change every 4 beats, aligning perfectly with the melody's progression. Start at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Focus on the coordination between your hands to achieve a seamless and energetic performance. To truly master the Subway Surfers theme, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing each hand independently until you feel completely comfortable with their respective parts. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine to build a steady and precise rhythm. Listening to the original theme frequently will help you internalize its energetic feel. Aim for several short practice sessions throughout your day, perhaps 15 minutes each, rather than one long session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.